Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking what's already installed so you don't overwrite step-bythy. Run Python 3 version to see the current release. This tells you the target upgrade. If Homebrew is missing, install it now because it manages packages cleanly. It's safer than altering Apple's default. Also install Xcode command line tools since build steps may need compilers. Once those are ready, update Homebrew with Brew Update and move to installing a new Python version, so dependencies stay consistent. You'll now install and activate the new interpreter. Use brew install Python at 3x to fetch the version you want. Homebrew builds and isolates it. After installation, link it so Python 3 invokes the new binary with brewlink force overwrite Python at 3x. Make sure your shell's path points to Homebrew's bin. On Intel, that's /usr/local/bin. On Apple Silicon, it's /opt/homebrew/bin, so the shell prioritizes the new Python. Once done, verify with Python 3 version and pip 3 version to confirm both match. You finish by rebuilding environments and confirming workflows still work. Create a fresh virtual environment with Python 3 mvenv and reinstall packages via pip 3 install r requirements. TXD to avoid binary incompatibilities. Make path changes persistent by adding the Homebrew bin export to your /zshrc or /. Bash profile, then source the file. If something goes wrong, check which Python 3 is used with which Python 3 and run brew doctor to surface conflicts. If necessary, unlink older Homebrew Python and relink the correct version to resolve path collisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.